Hey everybody, you ever see those super cheap budget airline flights that charge you for carry-on bags, water, and like breathing? And think to yourself, I'm just gonna stick it to the man and bring the tiny bag for free. That'll show them. Well, I'm gonna find out if that actually works or if it, ruins my entire fucking trip. Colombia, 11 days, let's go.
Hey there. Sorry.
Here's some reasons this might be hard. On this airline, my personal item has to be smaller than 18 by 14 by 8 inches for 11 days. I mean, I bring a bigger bag every time I go to the gym. I never know what we're gonna do. Nate and I have a history of winging it, so I gotta be ready for this, and of course, this. Nice one, Nate. Also, I'm 6'4", 195 pounds, so everything I own is gigantic. But it's all worth it to save tons of money. In fact, I could save as much as...
Wait, what? This is like $52 round trip. I thought I was saving like $150 or something. Why am I doing this?
No, this is important work in the name of science, and if I can save you money, gosh darn it, I'm gonna do it. Besides, the cost could be as high as $130 if I wait until the gate.
Enough talk. What is actually in my little bag? Let's find out. As much as I'd like to, I knew I couldn't bring my entire wardrobe with me. But I did bring 5 shirts that ranged from dressy enough to let's go camping, 3 pairs of socks, 2 amazing hybrid shorts, which are like swimsuits you can church up with a belt, and I don't need to wear underwear with them, which is 100% totally not creepy. So, 1 sad pair of underwear. Sacrifices were made, people. Plus everything else I needed to stay clean, healthy, and charged up. Really, I don't feel like I skimped here at all. And of course, a camera. Good God, that's huge. A camera. Fine. A camera. Oh yeah, and I didn't show up naked for the flight either. And the pièce de résistance, a packable bag, baby. I'm bringing a $7 backpack that zips into itself because no one wants to keep getting into a bag that's so stuffed it's gonna explode. So I got all packed up and didn't think much of it until I boarded my flight and realized this. Everything I bought could be cradled easily in one hand like a baby. No check-in lines, you can keep your bag with you on buses, and you can jump on moto taxis without even thinking twice. And don't forget, every time you move to the next place, it takes like 5 minutes to repack. It is so freeing. We camped, we hiked, we swam, and we had 4 a.m. city nights, and we even had time to put chocolate on our face. I never felt drastically over or underdressed, and it cost me $5 for my hostel to do my laundry for me on day 6. Nate and I had an absolute blast on this trip. Seriously, one of my favorite trips ever, and I do this for a living. But the best part of all is that I felt more relaxed than on any other trip I've ever done before. That zen feeling I'm looking for came effortlessly. I don't have the exact outfit I want for this night out in Cartagena. Who cares? And the no underwear thing was actually pretty great, but your experience may vary.
You just rubbed that on your nuts.
It is humid here. I got this in Palenque. I think it's for babies, but like adults can use it.
Okay, so the short answer is yes. This absolutely worked for me, and I would have no fear about doing it again. I am interested to try it out when it's cold and everyone wears more clothes, but for now, rest assured, you can do this with a little bit of planning and a laid-back tude. Yeah.
It's simple. Having less stuff gave me a lot less to worry about and a lot more room to just enjoy the ride. Like this kid. Oh yeah, so there was this kid in Tirona that was having the best day with his best friend, and honestly, why don't we just end the video with that? It's just too cute.